Okay, Mrs. H, psychology, a research paper, so paper 2 specifically, but it could come up in paper 1 or 3. Remember, any of the research methods can. So explain how a researcher could use a stratified sampling and randomly assign those participants using this stratified sampling. Okay, so stratified sampling always involves random allocation anyway. All right, but the thing with stratified, when they're talking about stratified, there's a specific way to answer it. So here's the information. Look, you need to use the STEM. So here they're working on a piece of research. They want a stratified sample of 20 people, and you need to look at how many people they've got. They've got 60 men, 40 women. So she wants to randomly allocate the 20 people in her stratified sample to her 2 conditions, and she wants equal number of males and equal number of females in each condition. So you can pause the video and have a look at what came up in this is the same question, but in a different exam paper. And I'm just going to talk you through how we calculate this. So the first thing you always have to do, if it says stratified, you go back to your STEM, you find out how many people she's dealing with. So the company or the school or whatever, how many people are there. We know that they've got 60 males, 40 females in the whole company. And she wants to get a certain number from that. So she wants 20 participants from that. So the first thing you have to do is calculate the number of people, the 20, how many males and females you want. And they have to be in proportion because that's what a stratified does. So we would therefore need 12 males and 8 females. Okay, so you've got to show that in order to get your first mark. And then we go into random allocation. And so with any random allocation, any random sampling, any random allocation in this case, she wants to randomly allocate those people into the 2 conditions. So you would separate out the males and the females. You give all the males a number, and those numbers go into a computer or into a hat. And because we want to put equal numbers of them into condition A and B, we know we need 12. So we're going to say maybe the first 6 numbers are going to be matched with the names, and they go into condition A, and the next 6 numbers go into condition B, the same thing. The names, the 6 males are matched, the numbers are matched with a name, and they will go into condition B. And then you repeat the same procedure with the females. So if all females in the company are allocated a number, those numbers go into a computer or into a hat. Somebody selects, or the computer selects the first 4 in this case, and they're matched with the names. They're assigned to condition A. The next 4 are assigned to condition B. I know we want 4 in each because we want 8 females, and we've already calculated that. So it is actually quite demanding to get your 3 marks, but once you understand it, it should be pretty straightforward.